Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply, where today we're going to be discussing how best to blend antique reproduction hardware with your modern interior. Matching antique reproduction hardware with a modern interior might seem like a challenge, but it's an art that can elevate your space to a whole new level. Whether you're aiming for subtle elegance or a bold statement, antique hardware can provide the perfect contrast to contemporary design elements, blending history with the present. First, let's talk about why antique reproduction hardware is so appealing. These pieces carry a sense of history and craftsmanship that's often missing in modern mass-produced items. The intricate details, solid materials, and timeless designs offer a unique charm that adds character to any space. When you incorporate these elements into a modern interior, you're not just decorating, you're telling a story. When selecting antique reproduction hardware for a modern space, consider the style and finish. For example, a sleek, minimalist kitchen might benefit from the warmth of brass cabinet knobs or pulls. If your space features cooler tones, brushed nickel or pewter can provide a more subtle, yet still elegant touch. The key is to find pieces that complement your color palette without overwhelming it. The secret to successfully integrating antique hardware into a modern interior lies in balance. If your space is primarily contemporary, use antique hardware sparingly as accent pieces, perhaps on a statement door or as the focal point on cabinetry. This allows the hardware to stand out without clashing with the overall design. Alternatively, if your space has a more eclectic feel, you can mix and match different styles of hardware to create a more layered, personalized look. While aesthetics are important, don't forget about functionality. Antique reproduction hardware isn't just about looks. It's designed to be used. Make sure the pieces you choose are practical for daily use. For example, if you're updating your front door, a sturdy antique reproduction door knocker can add both style and function. The same goes for drawer pulls and handles. Choose pieces that feel good in your hand and stand up to frequent use. Incorporating antique reproduction hardware into a modern interior is all about creating harmony between the past and the present. By carefully selecting pieces that complement your space, balancing old and new elements, and ensuring functionality, you can achieve a look that's both timeless and contemporary. So don't be afraid to mix things up. After all, the best interiors are those that reflect your unique style. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other content for more tips on integrating antique hardware into your home, and check the description for links to all the products featured in today's video.